a feeding reserve for recovery. Investigating the troubles of sickness therapy requires a different technique, and sustenance expects a pressing part in supporting the body's solidarity and recovery. Consuming an eating routine copious in key supplements, minerals, and cell fortifications is dire for supporting the safe structure, directing treatment optional impacts, and progressing overall thriving. Natural items, nature's enthusiastic gift, offer a concentrated wellspring of these fundamental enhancements. Coordinating different regular items into your eating routine during and after illness treatment can be a fundamental resource in your retouching cycle. This article researched indisputably the most supportive verdant food varieties that express responsibilities to recovery from sickness. Dangerous development prescriptions, while majoring in fighting the disease, can adversely influence the body every now and again. Chemotherapy, radiation, and operation can provoke an extent of optional impacts, including nausea, spewing, shortcoming, loss of hankering, and changes in taste. These delayed consequences can make it tempting to stay aware of acceptable sustenance, provoking needs for essential enhancements. Feeble well-being can cripple the safe structure, obstruct wound repairing, lessen energy levels, and antagonistically impact ready individual fulfillment. In the event, an eating routine rich in results of the dirt can help with directing these auxiliary impacts and sponsoring the body's ability to fix and change. Regular items give a concentrated wellspring of supplements, minerals, cell fortifications, and fiber, all of which expect critical parts in supporting overall prosperity and success during and after harmful development treatment. Disease anticipation specialists. These solid combinations shield cells from hurt achieved by progress flimsy particles that can add to threatening development improvement and development. Cell fortifications similarly expect a section in diminishing bothering and supporting safe capacity. Supplements. Supplements are essential for various actual cycles, including insusceptible ability, cell advancement and fix, and energy creation. Express supplements, like L-ascorbic acid, an urgent part in collagen mix, which is huge for wound recovery. Minerals. Minerals are basic for staying aware of electrolyte balance, supporting bone prosperity, and working with nerve and muscle capacity. Potassium, for example, is major for staying aware of fluid balance and preventing muscle cramps, which can be a consequence of some sickness medications. Fiber. Fiber propels sound handling, which can be agitated about dangerous development meds. Fiber, furthermore, controls glucose levels and can add to vibes of culmination, which can be helpful for regulating weight during and after treatment. Fruits are essential for recovery after therapy. They provide vital nutrients that aid healing and boost immunity. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that support healing and strengthen the immune system. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, crucial for boosting immunity and aiding recovery. Bananas provide potassium and energy, which are important for recovery and overall nutrition. Pomegranates are high in antioxidants and fiber, promoting healing and good nutrition. Blackberries offer vitamins and minerals that enhance immunity and support overall nutrition. Blueberries are a treasure trove of enhancements, securing their remaining as superfood. They are copious in fiber, L-ascorbic corrosive, and manganese, adding to stomach-related prosperity, safe ability, and bone prosperity independently. In any case, their most striking property is their high disease counteraction specialist content, particularly anthocyanins, which give blueberries their exuberant blue tone. Different assessments have shown that anthocyanins have solid foe of illness properties, expecting a section in limiting malignant growth improvement and lessening bothering. Coordinating blueberries into your eating routine, whether new, frozen, or added to smoothies and yogurt, can give an immense expansion in these significant combinations. Oranges are revered for their sweet taste, dynamic tone, and phenomenal dietary profile. A medium-sized orange can meet your regular L-ascorbic corrosive necessities, an enhancement critical for safe capacity. L-ascorbic corrosives act as a strong prevention specialist, defending cells from mischief and supporting the improvement of white platelets, which are essential for engaging infections. Beyond L-ascorbic corrosive, oranges also provide thiamine, folate, and potassium, contributing to energy production, cell development, and electrolyte balance. Enjoying oranges as a snack, adding them to salads, or drinking fresh orange juice can help ensure adequate L-ascorbic corrosive intake during and after infection treatment. Bananas are particularly important for those recovering from illness treatment, especially those experiencing difficulties with swallowing or stomach-related issues. Their fragile surface simplifies them to consume, regardless when appetite is diminished or swallowing is trying. Bananas are a nice wellspring of vitamin B6, manganese, and L-ascorbic acid to energy creation, cell support watch, and immune assistance. Besides, bananas contain gelatin, a kind of dissolvable fiber that can be particularly helpful for regulating detachment of the guts, a commonplace side effect of some threatening development medications. The high potassium content of bananas, moreover, re-energizes electrolytes lost due to free guts or spewing, hindering drying out and muscle deficiency. Pomegranates, with their pearl-like hairstyle, are ostensibly captivating as well as stacked with supplements. Like different normal items, they are high in L-ascorbic corrosive and fiber, supporting safe capacity and stomach-related prosperity. Regardless, pomegranates in a similar manner contain a ton of vitamin K, folate, and potassium, adding to blood coagulating, cell improvement, and electrolyte balance. Emerging exploration recommends that pomegranates could offer additional benefits for dangerous development patients. A couple of assessments have shown that pomegranate juice could additionally foster memory, which can be useful for those experiencing mental changes due to chemotherapy. Also, animal examinations have shown that pomegranate juice could help with decreasing joint misery and inverse optional impacts related to infection meds. While more investigation is supposed to confirm these benefits in individuals, coordinating pomegranate into your eating routine can give an extent of huge enhancement. Blackberries are a stimulating, amazing powerhouse, giving a rich wellspring of L-ascorbic corrosive and iron, two enhancements that are particularly huge during and after sickness therapy. L-ascorbic corrosive supports safe capacity in collagen mix, while iron is central for red platelet creation, thwarting pallor, an ordinary disarray of dangerous development treatment. Iron is central for red platelet creation, thwarting pallor, an ordinary disarray of dangerous development treatment. Blackberries, moreover, contain lignans, a sort of fiber that has been shown to have safe, supporting, and threatening to infection properties. These combinations could help with controlling safe responses and thwarting the advancement of infection cells. Past blueberries and blackberries, different various berries, including raspberries, strawberries, and cranberries, offer an overflow of health benefits. These berries are generally high in L-ascorbic corrosive, manganese, and vitamin K, as well as various disease counteraction specialists, including ellagic destructive, gallic destructive, and chlorogenic destructive. These malignant growth counteraction specialists safeguard DNA from hurting and may expect a section in lessening the turn of events and spread of illness cells. Recollecting a mix of different berries for your eating routine can give an alternate extent of enhancement and clinical benefits. Smoothies. Blend your main normal items in with yogurt, milk, or press for a rapid and nutritious gala or goodie. Yogurt and oats. Top yogurt or oats with new or frozen berries for added flavor and enhancements. Leafy greens. Add cuts of oranges, berries, or pomegranate airlines to servings of leafy greens for a blast of flavor and added solid advantage. Snacks. Save different regular items accessible for basic and sound snacks throughout the span of the day. Arranged items. Coordinate normal items like blueberries or bananas into rolls, breads, or hotcakes. Converse with your clinical benefits bunch, inspecting your dietary necessities with your oncologist and an enlisted dietitian is principal. They can give readed ideas considering your specific dangerous development type, treatment plan, and individual necessities. Wash regular items totally. Wash all normal items totally preceding consuming them to dispose of any pesticides or pollutions. Pick different regular items. Eating different normal items ensures that you are getting a considerable number of enhancements. Wait there, standing by, listening to your body. Spotlight on how your body answers different regular items, especially expecting that you are experiencing coincidental impacts from treatment. Expecting explicit regular items difficult to persevere. Endeavor various decisions. Natural items offer a trademark and delicious technique for supporting your body during and after threatening development treatment. Stacked with basic supplements, minerals, cell fortifications, and fiber, natural items can expect a basic part in supporting your safe system, easing treatment optional impacts, and progressing all things considered. By coordinating different natural items into your normal eating and working personally with your clinical benefits bunch, you can saddle the power of sustenance to help your journey to recover.